Samsung has officially confirmed the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic during its recent earnings call, sparking excitement among fans. While the company didn't share images or in-depth specs, it described the smartwatch as having an innovative design along with upgraded AI-powered health features. Though not named directly, these hints align with multiple leaks pointing toward the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, suggesting a refreshed look and smarter internals. At the upcoming July Unpacked event, we can expect two confirmed models, the standard Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. There's also talk of a possible Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, as reported by Techmaniacs. However, this rumor is being met with skepticism. Typically, Samsung alternates its lineup. One year we see a Classic, and the next an Ultra or Pro model. So following that pattern, the Ultra 2 may not arrive until 2025. The absence of leaks for an Ultra 2 model further supports this idea, which is unusual for a company known for its pre-launch buzz. When it comes to battery life, early certification details reveal that the standard Galaxy Watch 8 will house a 435 mAh battery, a slight increase over the previous generation. There's no leaked information yet about the Watch 8 Classic's battery, but historically, Classic versions have had smaller batteries than the Pro or Ultra models. That said, many are hoping Samsung might surprise users by giving the Classic a battery that rivals or even beats the Ultra's performance. Another exciting change is the introduction of Wear OS 6. Paired with One UI 7, watch a new software experience that syncs seamlessly with Samsung's upcoming One UI 7 on phones. Users can look forward to matching icon designs, smooth animations, and a cohesive look across devices. More notably, Google's Gemini AI is set to replace Google Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 8 series. This shift won't be exclusive to new models. Older Galaxy watches will also receive the Gemini upgrade through future updates. Health tracking is getting a major AI upgrade as well. Samsung previewed 3 new features earlier this year during the Galaxy S25 Unpacked. The Vascular Load Indicator, developed by Samsung Health Labs, will measure how your physical activity affects your cardiovascular system, helping you avoid pushing your heart too hard. The Antioxidant Index graph offers insights into your body's antioxidant levels, something completely new to wearables, and ties into Galaxy AI to give personalized nutrition advice, including meal plans and recipes. Beyond health, Galaxy AI features already seen on phones may start appearing on the Watch 8 series. Features like Now Brief, which offers quick contextual summaries, and Now Bar, a smartwatch-specific version for on-the-go updates, are expected to be part of the One UI 7 watch experience. And with Samsung keeping some features under wraps, more surprises are likely in store. Interestingly, Samsung is also hinting at another major announcement involving the Z Fold 7, with teasers of a potential world record being broken, but that's a story for another video. To get the full scoop on everything, you can check out the full video linked in the description. So, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you.